Hi. John Neal here. It's Thursday, the 1st of February, and of course, look at it, beautiful, beautiful day. And today, I'm looking for signs of spring. It's the 1st of February after all. It's a lovely day. Not too cold, a bit chilly, but we're not too bad. Also, I'm rejoicing in the winteriness of everything, because with this light, which we only get now and again, it's absolutely brilliant. Love it. Let's see what we can see. Yes, birdsong. The birds are starting to sing. Robin, blackbird, certainly crows are always crowing, I know. But unless you stop on a quiet stretch like here, you can't always hear it. Especially if you're next to a nice tree like this. Crazy tree, crazy branches. Oh, there's the robin. Aha, here we go. This is what I'm after. There's a number of flowers that are on the list, and one of them is certainly snowdrops. Nice ones too. Oh, and there's a crocus as well. Oh, this is a lovely road, this one. And I can afford to talk to you along here. Oh, there's somebody else coming with a dog. Oh my goodness.
They're just compassionate.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
All right. Man with dog. Well, I found two of the flowers I'm after. Snowdrops and some crocus. But there are others. I won't say which ones they are. Springtime in England. What are the flowers that I need? See if I can find them. But if not, another little thing I found, which is quite amusing really. There's a Facebook page called Appreciation of Doors and Gates, which is good. I've always liked a nice door and indeed a gate. And there are some interesting ones around. And then I suddenly found, and I think the old algorithm, old algorithms, put me onto another one, which is the peeling paint appreciation page, which I've subscribed to as well. So those are two quirky pages, which I fully approve of. Doors and gates and peeling paint. The peeling paint, I just found that today. And I must look for some, well, that barn back there would qualify. Quite a large expanse of corroded paint on the side of the barn. Right, heading off towards Shenton. I'm looking for, I have my drone with me. There's one thing I want to find, it's a tree with a long shadow on the grass beyond it. And this long winter sun is excellent for that. See if I can find one. Ah well, such is sod's law. As soon as I found a tree with a decent shadow, the sun went in. Fortunately, I know why the road is closed. It's a flood at the far end, which I can get through, which meant the whole road was very quiet, which is very nice. And so up the hill to the village of Dadlington, where I know there's a seat. As I've said before, you need to know where your seats are. And here we are. Cheers. Also got a little orange. You see, this Christmas, funny enough, I put on a bit of weight. Who didn't? And still fighting to get rid of it a whole month in. But I'm still trying to stick to it anyway. As I was saying before, looking for signs of spring, and I've not seen, you can just about see over here, there are some daffodils, narcissi of some sort, trying to come out. By the way, I'm in Dadlington on the seat, which I've been before, and it's a nice bright day, all's working out well. Yeah, little oranges like these, clementines, tangerines, I don't know what you're going to call them, but they're very nice indeed. Now, I said I was looking for signs of spring. Crocus I saw one or two of, snowdrops I've seen. In my garden I've got some hellebores, I'll show you those, and we've got some daffodils out as well. There are other narcissi type flowers coming out and about. A word about the equipment I've got. Somebody asked me what drone I was using. I think the details are below. I've had a Mini 3 Pro drone from DJI for a while now, and it is extremely good. I did have just the Mini, which would have been the one, I suppose, but they didn't call it one until they made two. Then they didn't call it. Anyway, I got a 3. And what else? The only thing I've changed recently is my tripod, which I did mention. And this is it now. Let me just take this off and show you. It's like a monopod with a tripod base, and it telescopes back down in on itself, which is brilliant for putting on the bike. And just behind me are some daffodils nearly out, and this rather beautiful tree. Look at this. Wow. Just as I thought I wasn't going to see any more spring flowers, I came across this beautiful display of snowdrops at the roadside in the little village of Wykin. Look at that, beautiful. Well, I just thought I'd find somewhere fairly picturesque and really quiet to just say thanks for watching, and you will see me next time. It's right next to the canal bridge, and people going over it are honking the horn. And I've often thought that's okay, it's sort of necessary, but I never do it, because I'm always thinking of people who are out here. I mean, they live in these boats or on these boats or around here all day. They must get these horns going all the time. If you approach the bridge quietly, carefully, there's no need to do that. Still, whatever. Takes all sorts, doesn't it? Well, that's my spring day for you. Oh, under the bridge, it's echoey now. And, yep, you will see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.